is also a little assertion by the former finance minister, sir. I'm quoting from his speech. Sir, so when I feel that there is a little grudge not to recognize how Honorable Prime Minister handled the corona crisis, today the entire world is seeing how we in India have had less deaths per million. We in India have less active cases when there are countries which are seeing wave after wave. And this handling is entirely due to the coming up front and leading from the front by the Prime Minister, and the common people of India had common cause with the way he was dealing with it as a result. Sir, I need to just say this one last sentence, sir.
Please.
The former...
Please. You are not making speech. It's not going on record.
Former finance minister...
You had your speeches. She is replying. Sir. She is replying. Apply your mind to the reply and keep it to future discussion in the countries.
You've just given me the context to say something, sir. Please pardon me if I'm taking it a bit light. I wouldn't mind. I'll seek your indulgence, sir. The former finance minister gives me a feeling that he is trying to imitate you.
He spoke nice. She has to respond.
Sir, I get the feeling the former finance minister is imitating you, sir, but he has been a miserable failure in the impact that he created, unlike you, who creates a good impact. I'll tell you why, sir. The imitation and the copy of the chair in coming up with rhyming words, text, pretext, subtext, context. He used all this trying to imitate you, sir, who spontaneously does it, and you have a sense of timing. All of us rejoice in that kind of a banter and light-hearted way in which you use the rhyming words. It brings a different sense in the house. Trying to imitate it and having absolutely no impact absolutely proves that it is a contrived speech which had nothing to accuse this budget of.
Right.
But yes, verbose, craftsmen of words, we can say what we want and get away with it. I even at the beginning said it's a budget by the rich, of the rich, was a statement given by the former finance minister. I explained right at the beginning, roads, Ujjwala, electricity, and also direct benefit transfer doesn't go to the rich, it goes to the poorest of the poor, whose cause the Prime Minister champions. Therefore, sir, I think the opposition's questions, doubts, I've tried giving them a response. I quite welcome any member who wants any further clarification.
Thank you.
But thank you for this opportunity.